So, hi everyone, I'm Untitled Chapter. I'm a part of Developer Student Club's Chitkara University. I hope you're all doing well. For all the people new to this channel, I welcome you all. DSC Chitkara University is organizing the third edition of its annual flagship event, OctaHacks. It's a national level hackathon. Okay, so this it's going to be a tutorial on how to register yourself for OctaHacks 3.0. So also we got to know that many participants were facing some difficulties in registering themselves through Devfolio. So I hope this video will help you out. Okay. So let's go to the octahacks.tech, our official website. Okay. And here we see the button for apply with Devfolio. So let's click here. It asks for your email, your username, and a password. Since I don't have an account, I'm signing up. But if you have an account, you can just log in here. All right. So let's sign myself up. Here's my email ID. Yeah. You can pick any username that you'd like. Okay. I'll go with this username and any password. So now after you fill all the fields, let's go to continue. Okay. So welcome to Devfolio. Continue. Online hackathons. Sure, we understand. Let's do it. So now it's saying we have not submitted any application. So now we're going to fill that application and then apply. Right? Then submit that application. So when we scroll down, it's asking for our first name, last name, right? So I'll write my name. Okay. A bio that suits you. Any bio? Okay. I'm a full stack developer. Right? You can tell about yourself. It can be a descriptive bio. Here I'm just signing up, so I'm keeping it short and sweet. So select your t-shirt size, your gender, right? And after you fill all the fields, you can just click next. So here it's asking about your formal education. Okay. So we do not have any bars, any criteria that if you have to participate in OctaHacks 3.0, you have to be pursuing computer science only. It's not like that. Any course that you're pursuing, any degree that you're pursuing, you can just choose that, right? So I'm pursuing bachelor's in at Chitkara University. So I'm filling that. You can select your university, your college, your institute from the drop-down menu. Now your field of study. My field of study is computer science and engineering. The month of graduation, mine is July. Year of graduation. Now, after you fill all the fields, click on next. Now, you can choose whichever describes you best. So since I'm a full stack developer, these two skills describe me best. I'm choosing those. You can choose any one that describes you, right? So now here we have to, write our top 5 skills. So you can write all 5, or you can even write, 2, 3. So here, JavaScript is my top skill, and then Java. So I'm choosing those. Okay. And I think all the fields are done. So I'm clicking on next. Okay. So here, this is pretty important. You have to, tell us your GitHub profile and LinkedIn profile. Okay. So if you don't have one, you should make one and then write your URL, your profile link. So since I have a GitHub account, so this is my profile and my LinkedIn profile is okay. Next. So here it's asking you to verify your email ID And when we'll fill in the mobile number, it will also ask you to verify that mobile number. Okay. So you'll receive OTP on your email address as well as your phone number. So you have to verify that. So I'll set it up. Okay. So here it's saying application not submitted. We have just filled our application, as you can look at our status. Now let's submit our application. This is our final step. So if you want to know like how this platform works, you can see a tutorial for 1 minute, but I know how it works, so I'll just figure it out. Okay. So here's it. You've now you can submit as solo or you can submit as a team. Okay. You can apply as a team as well. So here, when you apply as a team, you can choose your team name, and when you apply for it, you must have received an a team link, okay, at your email or your mobile number. So you have to fill in that, and you can join team, or you can, if you create a team, then you'll receive a link, and you can share that among your team members, and they can join the team by filling in that link. Okay, so that's it, and that's how you register yourself for OctaHacks 3.0. I wish you guys all the best. Okay, and I hope you come up with great ideas and great products, and you showcase your abilities up to your level best. Right. So see you till next video then. Bye bye.